Have you ever thought about making a homemade hydrating hair mask with tapioca? It is a fact. You don't need chemical products to make your hair straight, right? Here on our channel, we have some amazing homemade recipes to hydrate, nourish, and even straighten your hair naturally. One of our favorites is the cornstarch hair mask. Have you tried it yet? Tapioca mask looks a lot like the cornstarch mask, but some people prefer the tapioca version since it's better at strengthening the hair. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Of course, the results aren't the same as what you get using chemical products, but it is worth testing if you want a natural option for straightening your hair. Write down the ingredients. 1 tablespoon tapioca starch or gum. It is rich in carbs that will hydrate your hair, besides having vitamins B9, C, and magnesium. 1 teaspoon coconut oil or almond oil. This oil is great for nourishing hair and making it shinier. 2 tablespoons hair mask. Use your favorite one. And 3.4 ounces of water. Making it. Combine the tapioca and water in a pan over medium heat. Stir until it becomes a paste, then turn off the heat and wait until cold. After that, transfer the paste into another bowl and add the coconut oil. Mix. How to use. Wash your hair with shampoo and remove all excess water. Apply the tapioca mask strand by strand. Preferably use a shower cap and let the mask act for an hour. After that, thoroughly wash your hair with cold or warm water. Finalize with a good conditioner. Your hair will be shinier, softer, stronger, and also will have less volume. Do this procedure once a week or whenever you think your hair needs less volume. This homemade recipe will nourish and hydrate your hair and also reduce its volume. Coconut and almond oil are excellent humectants. So, did you like this recipe? Did you know it already? Try it and share your opinion with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.